It's a great book, and it's very easy to follow. I have purchased many of them and given them to my elderly relatives, hoping that they'll start working out. I mean, it's not just for Parkinson's people. It's for anybody that is having a movement disorder, and there's a lot of that in the elderly.
I did buy the book for members of my family to show them what I was doing, because I was really excited about it, and because I think the exercises are good not only for Parkinson's patients but others.
The one girlfriend said, "You know, I have a cousin that I just visited in Hawaii, and he has Parkinson's, and he's having a real tough time, and the medication isn't helping, and he just needs something." So I ended up ordering it. I saw her about 6 months later, and she says, "Oh my gosh, it's made such a difference in that man's life. He is walking, he's taking hikes now like he used to." His doctor could not believe the difference just from him using the DVD and the book.